Got something special here today. Who we got here?
Gary.
Gary, and what are you here to do?
Try out the Babymaker.
So just pulled the pink Babymaker out of the van. Is this your first time on an electric bike?
It'll be my second time.
Second time, all right.
It's been about 2 years.
Let me show you how it works.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is hold that orange button for 3 seconds to turn it on. You do have a big hill here. Maybe go down the hill a ways, and when you come up it, probably get some speed up.
Yeah, I'll go for it.
All right. First thoughts?
It's pretty sweet.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, this is nice. You can have some fun on this. That was pretty cool. No, that was awesome.
I'm out of breath too, and I didn't move at all. I'm on that skateboard.
That's a steep hill too.
That was fun. That was a big hill.
No, that's awesome.
So what brought you here to check out the Babymaker today?
Well, about a year ago, I was diagnosed with a herniated diaphragm on one side. So I'm down to about 48 lung capacity right now. So I just need some help to get back into shape. And I think something like this is going to do it. This is great. And I couldn't have done this with a regular bike. And with this, I could go up and down these hills. And this will get me motivated and back into working out again. When you launch it, I'm gonna buy one as fast as I can and start riding.
So yeah. Day one, there'll be the lowest price ever.
Well, day one is when I'm gonna buy it.
Nice.
You know, if I'm lucky, my wife might let me get two. So cross your fingers. So
heck yeah. How did it feel on the hills?
The hills were awesome. It's hard to explain, but I couldn't have done it on a regular bike. And this just, it makes it so much better, so I'm really excited. It's pretty exhilarating. Once it kicks in and you're making it up the hills, it's just nice, because for me, it's something I would not be able to do, so it's really exciting.
This is awesome, good test ride.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate you coming out.
It.